Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Marvel Rivals handles connectivity between PlayStation 5 and Steam. It's important to understand that while you can play with friends across different platforms in casual matches, your game progress, including any skins or purchases, does not transfer between your PlayStation 5 and Steam accounts. The developers are actively working on cross-progression, but it is not implemented at this time. To enable crossplay on your PlayStation 5, simply launch Marvel Rivals and head into the game settings. From there, find the social section. You will see an option for cross-platform play. Make sure this is checked or toggled on. This allows you to matchmake with players on other platforms, including PC, in non-ranked game modes. For Steam players, enabling crossplay is even simpler. When you launch Marvel Rivals on your personal computer, crossplay is automatically enabled for all casual game modes. There is no option to disable it for PC players in these modes, ensuring a larger player pool for quicker matchmaking. This means you can readily join games with your friends on PlayStation 5. It's crucial to remember that despite crossplay, your progression, such as levels, achievements, and purchased items, remains separate on your PlayStation 5 and Steam accounts. This means if you buy a skin on PlayStation 5, it won't appear on your Steam account. The good news is that the developers are aware of player demand and are actively exploring solutions for full cross-progression in upcoming updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.